Skills required to become a full-stack developer. In the modern world, if we talk about professional versatility, there is no one better than a full-stack developer to represent the term versatile. Well-versed in both front-end and back-end web development, full-stack developers boast a wide variety of skills. Here are full-stack developer skills that are non-negotiable. 1. HTML or CSS. While HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. HTML is used for adding web content and CSS is a personalization tool for designing and styling a website. Both HTML and CSS determine the look and feel of a website, which ultimately plays a major role in attracting prospective customers. Full-stack developers must have extensive knowledge in both of these programming languages for creating an interactive, intuitive, and engaging front-end for applications. 2. JavaScript. When it comes to web and software development, JavaScript is a mandatory full-stack developer skill. The objective-oriented script language is mostly used for adding behaviors using HTML. Full-stack developers must have in-depth knowledge of JavaScript along with its concepts and features like React and Angular. One of the best things about JavaScript is that it includes numerous useful features, including functions, prototypes, higher-order event delegation, and closure, which help create responsive web pages. It is also mandatory for full-stack developers to upgrade their JavaScript knowledge as and when new frameworks, libraries, and tools are launched. 3. Git and GitHub. Every developer as well as aspiring developers has heard of Git. It is an open-source distributed version control system that can handle all your development needs. It promises speed and efficiency for both small and large-scale products. With Git, developers can seamlessly manage all the changes made to applications, codes, websites, documents, and other information associated with software or application development. Using Git empowers full-stack developers to explore unique opportunities for security, productivity, and management. Allows full-stack developers to better collaborate and cooperate with their fellow developers or programmers who are working on the same project. 4. Back-end languages. The other pivotal part of an application or software is the back-end. While back-end development is a whole different game, there's a plenty of programming languages to choose from. A full-stack developer must know at least a few of these languages for back-end development. PHP. One of the most popular choices for back-end development, PHP is an open-source, cross-platform compatible language that can work seamlessly on Unix, macOS, and Windows. Python. Python's English-like syntax, smooth learning curve, and a vast assortment of libraries and frameworks is what makes it extremely popular among developers and coders around the world. Ruby. Ruby is a robust programming language. An active community of developers backs it, but it also boasts of excellent documentation and dependencies, making it the ideal choice for back-end development. Java. Java is a multi-purpose programming language. It can be used for web, desktop, and mobile application development. Plus, Java has a wide range of frameworks that further simplify the process of back-end development. 5. Web architecture. Full-stack developers are the wizards of software development. They are equipped with multiple skills pertaining to both front-end and back-end development. Full-stack developers need to know the nitty-gritty of web architecture, since their primary responsibility is to develop complex software applications from scratch. They must know how to structure the code, categorize the files, structure the data in databases, and perform the necessary computational tasks. 6. HTTP and REST. Both HTTP and REST serve two unique purposes. HTTP is the protocol used for facilitating communication with the client, whereas REST is an interface between systems using the HTTP protocol to gather data or perform different operations in various formats on the data. So, REST acts like a translator between the front-end and the back-end. 7. Database storage. All web applications need a database where all the data will be stored. Database storage calls for an experienced and skilled full-stack developer who knows relational databases and database storage inside out. Full stack developers must be adept in database management. They should be able to design, understand, and manipulate database queries. Things that a full stack developer must know concerning database storage and management. Characteristics of relational or non-relational data. Knowledge of NoSQL databases. Knowledge of web storage. 8. Basic design skills. A full stack developer must possess the fundamental design skills. The knowledge of front-end design is crucial to make a website look attractive and appealing. A website with a neat and user-friendly design always wins the heart of the users. Full-stack developers must know the basic design principles, including UI and UX designs, prototypes, scalability, etc. 9. NPM. NPM is used for many applications including the development, publishing, discovery, and installation of node programs. 10. Soft skills. When you aspire to become a full-stack developer, technical skills solely won't suffice. You must possess the perfect balance of technical knowledge and soft skills. Every full-stack developer must have the following soft skills: an analytical bent of mind, good time management skills, curiosity for learning, attention to detail, creative vision, patience. To conclude, full-stack developers are highly skilled experts who can handle everything related to web development.